How many years did Spain colonize the Philippines?
333 years. Isip na diya ingaran ako.
Isend lang kay Sheila.
Good. How many years did Spain colonize the Philippines?
333
How many years Spain colonized the Philippines?
333 years.
How many years Spain colonized the Philippines?
333 years.
Thank you. How many years Spain colonized the Philippines?
The Philippines was colonized by Spaniards for almost 333 years.
Thank you. How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
More than 300 years.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
100 years. 100 years.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
100 years.
How many years Spain colonized the Philippines?
More than 300 years.
Thank you. How many years Spain colonized the Philippines?
300 years.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
100 years.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
50 years. 50 years.
Ano ganyan?
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
How many? Ay, sabat lang ako pamangko.
Oh,
Hundreds of years.
how many years Spain colonized Philippines?
Mga 350. 50 years.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
5 years.
Ah?
5 years.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
More than 300 years. Ikaw na job.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
100 of years. More than
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
More than 300 years.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
More than 300 years.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
More than 300 years.
Yeah. How many years Spain?
332 years.
300. How many years?
333. Sorry, 333 years.
Thank you.
Sorry,
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
300 BCE, sir.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
333 years.
Thank you. How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
333 years. 333 years.
Yeah. How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
30 years. 300 years.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
More than 300 years.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
100 of years.
What about you, bro?
100. 100 peso.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
330 years. 333 years.
Sila yun. No, masabat ma. How many years, bro?
333 years.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
Sam, sa Sam? Oh, si Jota, si Jota. Oh, pre, harap na, pre. Okay, doon na, ikaw lang
Ah,
How many years? Oh, kumaan? How many years ka na? 99? 99 years. Pero pre, ito ba, diba? Ikaw, ganun yun. Jakarta, Jakarta.
Oh?
More than 300 years.
Yeah. How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
Nakanoy ah? Nakanoy? More than 100 years?
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
666?
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
1,000 years.
How many years, bro?
Hindi naman ko ina.
Uy, di po kita. Ang kukulit sa spiyong. No? How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
100. 300 años.
How many years Spain colonized Philippines?
Hundreds of years.
So that was all our vlog for today, guys. According to historians, that since the time of Magellan until the time of Jose Rizal, the Spaniards colonized Philippines for about 333 years. And it was nice that many students shared their answers. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. I hope to see you in our next video.